Urgent hiring electrical engineer. Fortune Stones is looking for an experienced electrical engineer to join its mining project near Chhatarpur, Madhya Pradesh. Position details. Position electrical engineer project mining project. Location near Chhatarpur, Madhya Pradesh. Qualification BE, B.Tech, M.Tech in electrical engineering. Experience 5 to 6 years of relevant experience. Mining industry experience preferred. Experience in mining crusher plant or M sand plant will be added advantage. Key responsibilities: maintain and troubleshoot HT or LT electrical systems and equipment, carry out preventive and breakdown maintenance of electrical installations, monitor transformers, motor switchgears, VFDs, DG sets, and power distribution system, ensure electrical safety compliance and maintain maintenance record, coordinate with mechanical and production teams for smooth plant operations, supervise technician and support communication improvement initiatives. Required skills: strong knowledge of HT or LT electrical systems, preventive and breakdown maintenance, troubleshooting and fault diagnosis, इलेक्ट्रिकल सेफ्टी स्टैंडर्ड एंड टीम मैनेजमेंट। अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड है जॉब के लिए तो दिए गए ईमेल पर अपना अपडेटेड रिज्यूम भेज करके अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू।